Hello, I am Alina Araslanova, a Ukrainian visual artist and conceptual photographer. My background combines formal education in information technologies design with many years of experience in marketing and advertising, which shaped my analytical approach and visual storytelling. I graduated from the Kiev School of Photography in 2018, where I began developing long-term photographic projects focused on vulnerability, memory, trauma, and resilience. Photography for me is both personal language and tool to reflect on broader social and human conditions. Paper Shelter emerged between 2023 and 2025 under the influence of the war in Ukraine. Growing up in immigration deeply influenced the emotional foundation of Paper Shelter. It meant losing not only physical home, but also everyday structure, school, friendship, familiar routines. This sense of instability created a constant inner tension, being present in a new place, while emotionally suspended elsewhere. At the same time, Paper Shelter is a deeply personal story, rooted in the emotional experience of my older child. After forced immigration due to the war, she became emotionally withdrawn, wore only oversized black clothing, avoided speaking about her feelings, and struggled with self-acceptance. The project became my silent cry to her, an attempt to reach a closed inner world through photography, to show her that I see her, and to help her see and accept herself as she is. Paper Shelter symbolizes fragile, temporary protection, something vulnerable that still offers a sense of safety. It represents emotional withdrawal and the instinct to hide when the world becomes overwhelming. Visually, paper reflects vulnerability and adaptation, mirroring how displaced identities survive despite their fragility. Winning at the Tokyo International Photo Awards was deeply meaningful. Personally, it felt like recognition of a very intimate and painful narrative. Professionally, it affirmed that deeply personal stories can resonate across cultures and borders. It gave the project visibility and confirmed that vulnerability and honesty can be powerful artistic values within the international photographic context.